Did you know that what you eat has a direct impact on your blood sugar? Carbohydrates, in particular, play a huge role. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, sugar, which raises your blood sugar levels. For people managing type 2 diabetes, controlling carb intake is one of the most effective ways to keep blood sugar in check. In this lesson, we'll explore what a low-carb diet is, why it works for diabetes, and how to follow it in a way that fits your lifestyle. To start with, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates, along with proteins and fats, are your body's primary sources of energy. However, carbs directly affect your blood sugar. Here's how they're categorized. 1. Sugars, found naturally in fruits and milk, or added to processed foods like soda and candy. 2. Starches, found in grains like wheat and oats, starchy vegetables like potatoes, and legumes like beans and lentils. 3. Fibers, found in plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Unlike sugars and starches, fiber doesn't raise blood sugar and helps keep you healthy. To manage diabetes effectively, reducing your intake of sugars and starches is key. What is a low-carb diet? A low-carb diet focuses on limiting your carbohydrate intake to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. It's flexible, allowing you to choose a carb level that fits your needs. Moderate carb intake, 130 to 225 grams per day. Low carb intake, under 130 grams per day. Very low carb intake, keto, under 30 grams per day. The less carbohydrate you eat, the less your blood sugar will rise. Research shows that low-carb diets can be especially effective for people with type 2 diabetes. In fact, before insulin was invented, very low-carb diets were the primary treatment for diabetes. How to follow a low-carb diet? A healthy low-carb diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. Here are the core components. 1. Eat plenty of vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, zucchini, and peppers are great options. These are low in carbs and packed with nutrients. 2. Increase healthy fats. Include natural fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, e.g. salmon. These provide energy and help you feel full. 3. Moderate protein intake. Lean meats, poultry, eggs, and plant-based proteins like tofu should be part of your meals. 4. Avoid processed foods. Limit sugary snacks, soda, white bread, and other processed carbs. Focus on whole, real foods instead. Practical action steps. Here's how to get started with a low-carb diet. 1. Start small. Begin by reducing sugary drinks and snacks. Swap soda for water and candy for nuts or berries. 2. Track your carb intake. Use a food diary or app to keep track of your daily carbs. Aim for the level, moderate, low, or very low, that suits your goals. 3. Plan your meals. Include non-starchy vegetables, a source of healthy fat, and a moderate portion of protein in each meal. For example, grilled chicken, roasted broccoli, and avocado slices. 4. Read food labels. Check the carb content on packaged foods. Avoid items with added sugars or high starch content. 5. Stay consistent. Stick to your low-carb plan for most meals, but allow occasional treats in moderation. A low-carb diet is more than a way of eating. It's a tool to take control of your blood sugar and improve your overall health. By focusing on vegetables, healthy fats, and moderate protein, while cutting back on processed foods and sugars, you can see real results in managing type 2 diabetes. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, stay consistent, and make adjustments as needed. With the Diasulin Method, powered by AirTook, every meal becomes an opportunity for better health. Why not try a low-carb recipe today? Your body will thank you.